All right, so let's take a look at the form fields. Right now we have first name, last name, email, and if we take a look at the website here, we can see the same fields here. Okay, so now you can go ahead, you can delete any of these, or you can change them from required to optional. In my case, I want to add a new field, and I'm gonna I can choose a field type. So it could be text, it could be a text box, it could be a drop down, or it could be a radio group. So let's select this, and I can choose a field label. I can say, do you want us to ship directly? And then you can choose options. So first option would be yes, other option would be no, and you can delete options if you want to. All right, you can keep adding more. In my case, I want this to be required, and I'm going to say add field. All right, the field is added. You can see on the right, I'm going to say save. You don't have to do anything else, just refresh the website and it should add the new field. It says, do you want us to ship directly? And it is required as well. You can see that.